Surmount International School proudly presents the 78th Independence Day celebration. As we gather to honor our nation's independence, we begin with the flag hoisting, symbolizing our respect and pride in our country. Our young stars express their love for the nation through various performances, showcasing their talents and patriotism. Our students pay tribute to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for our country's independence. Their words inspire us to cherish and uphold the values of freedom and unity. As we conclude our celebration, let us all pledge to uphold the unity and integrity of our nation. Together, we can make India proud. Thank you for joining us in celebrating this special day.